Gagawin ko ang lahat ng aking makakaya upang ang ating pamilya. Pangarap ko ang magkaroon ng hanap-tulong pagpapakalan, kapayapaan, at pagkakaunawaan. At nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos dahil kasama kita sa pangarap. Loobin man ng Diyos ang dumating ang araw na makapagsubok. Napanalangin ko na gagawin at palakasin tayo ng Diyos.
Amen. Jesus.
Upang mapagtagumpayan natin ang lahat ng hamon. At sa mga oras na hindi tayo makasama, gaya ng nakita natin panalangin sa isa't isa, misma, may God watch over us when we are apart from each other. I love you and I always will. From this day forward, ikaw ang aking tahanan, pangako at biyaya mula sa
When I first met you, never could I isip na I'd be standing here promising you forever. Kasi nung una, akala ko mayabang ka. Tapos ang payat-payat ko, tapos ang alas mo. So, hindi kita rin kausapin before. To the point na, nireto kita sa senior high school friend mo. So, kilala yun nila Daisy, di ba? So, during that time, hindi ko alam na God had already started writing a story na hindi mo nakita. And He used 3 moments to slowly soften my heart with words. The first one is, yung umiiyak ako sa labas ng church, tapos nagkasabay tayo at sinabi mo sa akin, okay lang yan, malalampasan mo yan, mahal ka ni Jesus. Those simple words held my heart with kindness when I needed it the most. Pangalawa, when you prayed for me sa isang church event na hindi ko makakalimutan, sabi mo, Lord, turuan mo siyang magpatawad and teach her how to love again. Christmas pa. So, hindi mo alam ang story ko, but your prayer felt so genuine and it reached a wounded part of me I thought no one saw. At hindi ko makakalimutan ang day of 2018, a day when everything felt dark and heavy. Alam mo lahat, alam mo kung anong naranasan mo noon, yet hindi ka natulog, pinag-pray mo ko, dinala mo ba ako sa Don't Watch. Ayun yung time na akala ko katapusan mo na. So looking back, I realized God
Uy, Donya. Donya. Ayan na. Time first. Okay, mag-cheer! Lalabas yung kabaga!
Kasi yung parents ko, conservative tayo.
Tingin na muna. 1, 2, 3, kiss sa forehead. Then, kiss sa kiss. Yun, okay. Okay, all hands.
Ayun po, ang wish ko lang sa bagong kasal. Pangalawang kasal. Ayun, magmahalan lang sila. Kasi mas masarap. Kapag nag-release. And then, pag ano naman po, ayun lang po. Pinakabago pa. Ayun, magmahalan lang sila. Kung may problema man sila is madadaan naman po sa usapan or
Kaklase ni Vince.
Mag-speech ka na.
Ayan, sige, ako lang po. Okay, so this message, syempre, is to my favorite. Ay, don't know.
May ano eh.
Sige, don't worry, pero pinandaan ko lang. Okay, so everyone, please listen. So, to the girl who was once misunderstood, too pretty so others felt jealous, too smart so they kept their distance, not many friends but a heart that's true.
And if you want to bless the couple in monetary form, there are envelopes in our table. Instead of pinning yung ating mga monetary blessing, meron po tayong basket, no? And you can put your yung mga love gift for them and put it in the basket. So this will serve as their seed faith na sa kanila as they start their lives as marriage.